on. Get out the car.
All right, I'm getting in. Get your feet in.
What's up? Blink my blue lights at you to let you know who I was.
When cops cross paths with FBI agents, in the realm of mistaken arrests, few instances carry as much intrigue and surprise as when law enforcement officers unknowingly apprehend individuals who turn out to be FBI agents. These encounters offer a glimpse into the complexities and challenges faced by law enforcement personnel and federal agents. In this intriguing video, we delve into a series of remarkable incidents where cops arrested people, only to discover later that they were, in fact, FBI agents. These encounters showcase the potential for mix-ups in identity and the consequences that ensue. The scenario presents a perplexing situation where a former FBI agent becomes the victim of a mistaken arrest due to unauthorized use of red and blue lights. As the scene unfolds, a police officer confronts the man, demanding to see his hands and identification.
We have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used in the court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney, have him present with you prior to any questioning if you wish one. Sure. If you cannot afford one will be provided to you by the courts.
The man, calm and composed, reveals that he had worked for the FBI in the past. However, instead of immediately recognizing the man's background, the officer proceeds to read him his rights. This exchange highlights the officer's initial lack of awareness regarding the man's affiliation with the FBI. It is not until after reciting the rights that the officer seems taken aback by the man's revelation of having been issued credentials by the FBI.
Work for the FBI at one point?
I've contracted with the Department of Justice and the FBI.
This surprising turn of events prompts the officer to reevaluate the situation and acknowledge the mistake. The realization dawns that the arrest was based on an erroneous assumption, leading to a wrongful detention.
Contractor for Southwest Gas.
For Southwest, so that's like
here, yeah.
That's your primary job?
Yeah, it's my part-time job, and I have my own cybersecurity.
In one of the cases, police officers in Kansas City aggressively detain a man who claims to be a federal agent. The encounter begins with the officers shouting at the man to show his hands and demanding to see his identification.
Your plates don't come back to the thing, so we still do a traffic stop on you. Where you at, bro?
The man complies and informs them that he is a federal agent. However, instead of verifying his credentials or engaging in a calm conversation, the officers become more aggressive and insist that he get on the ground.
Don't do that to us. Get us the fuck out. Why? I'm in a police uniform. Yeah, but I don't know who you are. I'm going off. You said the right?
Overall, this case serves as a reminder of the importance of proper communication and respect between law enforcement officers and individuals, particularly when dealing with situations involving federal agents or individuals claiming to be federal agents. It also highlights the need for officers to exercise restraint and gather all relevant information before resorting to forceful measures. Displaying his credentials to a skeptical police officer. Despite the presentation of official documentation, the officer maintains a level of doubt, prompting a call for verification to confirm the man's claims. While waiting for the confirmation, tension lingers in the air as the officer carefully observes the situation. This hesitation reflects the officer's commitment to ensuring accurate identification before proceeding with any action.
Advanced Wiring Company.
Do you work for a wiring company?
Further.
Okay. One who called me here, sir. How did you get my phone number? I ain't saying he can't tell me how he got my information.
Would you like to see the registration, sir?
I don't really want anything from you at this point. My supervisor's on the way.
Excellent.
In this encounter, a South Sudanese citizen becomes the victim of wrongful targeting by the police, leading to accusations of racial profiling.
You think? That's an illusion. That's an illusion. You think.
The incident starts with a heated exchange between the citizen and the officers. It is unclear why exactly the citizen is being targeted, but the encounter escalates due to the perceived profiling. Amid the tense situation, the officers request the citizen's identification. To their surprise, they discover that he is actually an FBI agent. This revelation completely changes the dynamics of the encounter, as it becomes apparent that a mistake has been made.
Yeah, matter of fact, look at my ID. Hey, watch how funny this is. Go ahead, look at it. No, don't hate me. Look at it. Oh, what does that say? What does that say? Oh!
The citizen's identity as an FBI agent raises questions about the reason for his initial targeting and the motivations behind it. The incident highlights the potential for biases and misunderstandings within law enforcement. Racial profiling, where individuals are targeted based on their race or ethnicity rather than evidence or reasonable suspicion, is a serious concern that can erode trust between communities and the police. Discovering that the targeted individual is an FBI agent adds another layer of complexity to the situation. It prompts an examination of the actions and motives of the officers involved, as well as the potential implications for their department. Such encounters underscore the importance of fair and unbiased policing practices, as well as the need for continuous training to address and prevent instances of racial profiling. Ultimately, the incident serves as a catalyst for prompting a renewed commitment to equal treatment within the law enforcement system. Thank you for tuning in today. We hope you found this discussion valuable. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Share with us the key takeaways you gained from this video and how you believe by addressing these issues, we can strive towards a system that upholds justice, equality, and the protection of all citizens.